Hi, I'm Van from Sony, and today we're going to take a closer look at Sony's new Visual Story app. Visual Story is an app developed for wedding photographers who are shooting on select Sony Alpha cameras. It harnesses the power of both the cloud and AI to create beautiful online galleries that are easily delivered to clients on their big day. I'm going to take you through how to get set up and create your first gallery. The first actual step is to install the app. You can find it in the App Store, where it's free to download and install. Just search for Visual Story and look for the orange icon with a white S. Once it's on your phone or tablet, go ahead and open it up. Take the time to read and acknowledge the terms and conditions. And when you're ready, tap Start. Next, you'll need to set up or log in with an account. Now, if you already have a PlayStation account or one you've used for other Sony services, try logging in with those credentials. It can make it much easier to manage your payments, and there's one less login to have to remember. Next, you'll need to enter in your photographer information. In the nickname field, you can put the name of your photography business or just your name. Below that, you can list your website, Facebook page, and Instagram page. These will all be listed in each online gallery that you create and share. Then you have the option to add hashtags. And below that, here's where you can load a watermark. Files should be in PNG format, and they're not resizable in the app, so make adjustments ahead of time. They'll overlay in the bottom right corner of each image. The way the app works is this. As you're shooting, your camera will be sending small images to your device, where it will sync with Sony's cloud and AI to produce a live online gallery while you're still on site. The files being sent to the cloud are pretty small, but here you have the option to allow data to pass only via Wi-Fi or over your cellular data as well. Thanks for following along, and be sure to visit alphauniverse.com for more.